Welcome back, traders. Happy to have you here today. The breakout probability is a valuable indicator that calculates the probability of a new high or low and displays it as a level with its percentage. The probability of a new high and low is backtested, and the results are shown in a table. This is a simple way to understand the next candle's likelihood of a new high or low. In addition, the indicator displays an additional 4 levels above and under the candle with the probability of hitting these levels. The indicator helps traders to understand the likelihood of the next candle's direction, which can be used to set your trading bias. To apply this trading indicator on the chart, type the breakout probability Expo indicator keywords under the community script. You will see the breakout probability Expo indicator. Select the Breakout Probability Expo Indicator EP version by Zierman. Before we delve into how this trading indicator works, I need to explain some of its major parameter settings and functionalities. Under the input settings, that's the percentage step. This is the space between the levels. This can be adjusted with the percentage step of 1%, which means that each level is located 1% above under the previous one. The number lines show the number of levels traders want to be displayed on the price chart. There is the disable 0.00% value. For instance, if a level got a 0% likelihood of being hit, the level is not displayed as default. Traders can enable the option if they want to see all levels regardless of their values. The Show Statistic panel is used for displaying the backtested data statistics. Enable this option if you want to display the backtest statistics for that a new high or low is made, only if the first levels have been reached or not. Under the Alert function call, an alert is sent on candle open, and traders can select what should be included in the signal. Traders can enable the following options: ticker ID, the first level's high and low price, bullish and bearish bias, bullish and bearish probability percentage. Under the style settings, traders can decide to display or hide the labels, lines, and tables parameters on the price chart. Here are the color settings for the display parameters of the indicator. Traders can modify this color to suit their color of interest. How does the breakout probability indicator work? The algorithm calculates all the green and red candles separately, depending on whether the previous candle was red or green, and assigns scores if one or more lines were reached. The algorithm then calculates how many candles reached those levels in history and displays it as a percentage value on each line. This indicator is a perfect tool for anyone that wants to understand the probability of a breakout and the likelihood that set levels are hit. The indicator can be used for setting a stop loss based on where the price is most likely not to reach. The indicator can help traders to set their bias based on probability. For example, to anticipate a bullish trade, look at the daily or a higher time frame to get a bullish trading bias, then go to a lower time frame and look for buy setups. The formation of a bullish price action candlestick would increase the odds of having a winning trade. As we can see on the weekly chart of the USD Japanese yen, there's the formation of a strong bullish candlestick. The week chart win rate is 717 and the loss rate is 331. The profitability is 68.42%. Navigating the daily time frame, the day chart win rate is 3,604 and the loss rate is 1,612. We can see that the day chart profitability win rate is 69.10%. Backtesting this buy setup gave 860 pips bullish movement. To anticipate a bearish trade, look at the daily or a higher time frame to get a bearish trading bias. Then go to a lower time frame and look for sell bearish price action setups. This is one of the best trading indicators for price action traders because it primarily focuses its tactics on price actions in the market.